Hey there, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is my CareSens in glucose monitor set.
This glucose monitor set is a reliable tool for managing your blood sugar levels. Whether you're newly diagnosed, have been monitoring your glucose for years, or just simply want to keep an eye on blood sugar spikes, this set offers accuracy and ease of use. The set comes complete with a glucose monitor, 100 test strips, a lancing device, and a generous supply of 100 lancets. It also includes a carrying case for easy portability. This all-in-one package is perfect for those who need a comprehensive solution for glucose monitoring. One of the standout features of this monitor is its simplicity. To get started, simply insert a test strip into the device, and the device's screen will immediately turn on. If you are taking a post-meal reading, then you can just hold the down button until the fork and the spoon appears. Then prepare the lancing device and twist the arrow to the setting that's most comfortable for you. Use the lancing device to obtain a sample and apply it to the strip. Within just 5 seconds, you'll have an accurate reading. The large, easy-to-read display ensures that you can see your results clearly even in low light. The monitor can also store up to 250 test results, helping you track your glucose levels over time. This set is also very cost-effective. The test strips and lancets are some of the most affordable I have found, which helps to reduce the long-term cost of managing your blood sugar.
And that's my point of view.